All right, everybody, yet another 1 minute workout coming at you. Today, we are working squats, which is why we're starting off standing up, got a little bit of a wider perspective here. I'm gonna start off my stopwatch here, but first I want you to get your feet set up about hips width distance apart. I'm gonna turn my side to you so you really get this squat mechanic down. So 1 minute here, take your thumbs into your hip creases, move it on back and down. And try to really keep your spine nice and long here. Notice if you tend to round your back on the way down. See if you can keep your shoulders upright. See if you can really keep the core engaged. So we're just using the thumbs to move ourselves back in space here. And again, already 20 seconds in those squats, you may already start to be feeling a little bit of burn in the legs. Now, if you want to add on just a little bit as we start to get to 30 seconds here, we could take the hands behind the head, getting ourselves a little bit of a chest opener. Sometimes this gets known as the prisoner squat. So I guess you could do it in your cell. But we'll keep going with that squat, taking it from that low to high position. And let's check. We got about 10 more seconds left. Maybe even start to add a little bit of vigor into it, making it kind of a speed squat with the arms forward, the feet down into the ground. Last 3, 2, and 1. Whew. All right, good job.